Hi everyone, Joe for JaspysCaseBreaks.com coming at you with a box of 2021 Bowman Chrome Baseball HTA Edition Random Team Break number 53. Two big spots being given away. That big hit parade break on JaspysCaseBreaks.com. A $500 value. Big thanks to this group for making it happen. Yeah, Rex, Jimmy got just that one spot. Was that the spot you were going to get? All right, let's see if you regret it or not. Nancy finished it off with the final four. Thanks, everybody, for getting in. Let's do the break first. All teams are in, so let's roll it. Randomize your names and teams. 5 and a 2, 7 times each. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, 5 and a 2, 7 times for the teams. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7th and final time. All right, there's the first half of the list right here, second half of the list right over there. No trade windows like this. But let's just print and rip. All right, our first auto is Elijah Dunham. Bowman first autograph for the Yankees. That'll go to George. Next up is Malvin Valdez. That's going to go to Nancy and the Redlegs. A little bit of dust in there. And here's a nice Ezekiel Tovar. 271 out of 499. I think he'll probably make the opening day roster this year, right? Yeah, I think so. It's a pretty nice one, I think. So this is going to go to who had the Rockies. That's going to be for Stephen Pete with the Rocks. All right. Now let's see who's going to win their way into the hit parade break. Let's gather everybody's names 1 through 30. New dice, new list, and top 2 names. There are going to be a lot of sad faces, but the top 2 are going to be super happy. 6 and a 2, 8 times. Top 2 after 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8th and final time. Fingers crossed, everybody. Now 3 through 30. Definitely sad times, but there are many other fillers that we got to do. So maybe try again next time, and we'll try to get you in next time. But thanks for trying this time. Sad times, but happy time, very happy times for the top 2, Tim and Nancy. Look at that. Tim and Nancy after 8. Congrats to you. We'll see you in the hit parade break at some point this week. JaspysCaseBreaks.com. Bye-bye.